Okay, nice.
Okay. Nampak tak muka I?
Nampak.
Can.
Hi, today we're gonna present about mini project the effect of air pollution in human health. So I'm Nur Adriana Sofia.
I'm Ramnesh.
I'm Vignesh Rao.
I'm Iman.
So for the introduction, air pollution significantly impact human health, causing respiratory and cardiovascular disease, asthma, and lung cancer. It primarily affects vulnerable groups like children and the elderly. Reducing air pollution is essential for improving public health and well-being. Next cause.
So
Next.
next are the causes of the air pollution. So air pollution is one of the common thing that happens every day in our life, which is caused by human error, and also by nature, whether indoor or outdoor. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, air pollution is contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, and also biological agent that modifies the natural characteristic of the atmosphere. Sources of air pollution are the smoke from motor vehicles, industrial facilities, household composition device, and forest fire. So just now the video is about the volcano eruption where it formed aerosol, which is I will explain later. So before that, air pollution will lead into climate change where it's affect each other through complex interaction in the atmosphere. Aerosol. Aerosol is a combination from solid and liquid particle where it's end up in out there. This might occur when fossil fuels burn, for example, coal and petroleum. Aerosol can be formed from many types of situations such as during wildfire, the smoke from vehicle and factories. This is why filtration is too important for the environment and also human. The smoke which was released from the factories and vehicles need to be filterized to avoid the bad outcome and the consequences. Eruption of volcano can produce aerosol, like just now the video has explained.
There are chemical processes, and and I've put three examples. The first one is oxidative stress and inflammation. Pollutants like PM, O3, and NO2 from vehicles, power plants, industrial operation, gasoline vapors, and natural processes cause reactive oxygen species. Oxidative stress, inflammation, and tissue damage contributing to disease like asthma and COPD. DNA damage and mutagenesis. Pollutants like PAH and heavy metals can damage DNA, causing mutation that disrupt cellular function and potentially lead to cancer. with long-term exposure increasing the risk. And finally, the third point. And the third point, interference with cellular signaling pathway. Pollutants like VOCs and heavy metals can disrupt cellular signaling pathways, which leads to impaired immune response, hormone imbalances, and other systemic effects. And that's all for the chemical process.
Okay. So next is about what is the effect on humans and the environment. So first we'll get into the effects on humans. Okay. Air pollution has the ability to impact the health of all individuals, not just humans, animals, and any living things. So inhaling air pollutants can lead to coughing, itchy eyes, development of exacerbation of various breathing and lung conditions, potentially resulting in admission in hospital, cancer, or possibly premature death. So these are the list of diseases on human health due to long exposure to air pollution. So stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, trachea, bronchus and lung cancers, aggravated asthma, and lower respiratory infections. Okay, so next is the effects on the environment. Next slide, please. All right. So the air pollution has the potential to harm crops, the ones that we use to make foods such as rice and vegetables, trees. It also has the ability to harm trees. Obviously, trees are used to cool down the earth, stop the global warming, and then it has the ability to make the ground level ozone to decreases, so that it will make global warming more warmer, because the ozone layer that protects the earth from UV light is decreasing day by day due to the air pollutions. Okay, so what can we do, or what can anyone do to lessen the air pollution? Okay, first, you can drive your car less so that the air pollution produces from the car will be reduced. Next is don't burn your garbage. Instead, send it to recycle. Limit backyard fire in the city. Like BBQ, don't do BBQ. Just cook normally in your home. And lastly, plant and care for trees. That's it for the solution.
So for the conclusion, the best conclusion for the effect of air pollution on human health highlights the significant and widespread impacts, emphasizing the air pollution is a critical public health issue. It should summarize key points such as increased risk of respiratory and cardiovascular disease, adverse effects on vulnerable populations like children, the elderly, and those who pre-existing condition, and the necessity for stringent air quality regulation and policies to mitigate these health risks. Additionally, it should underscore the importance of continued research and public awareness to drive efforts toward cleaner air and healthier communities. That's all from us. Thank you.